Today, I'm visiting someone I lovingly call my second mother here in Japan. Since my real mom is back home in the Philippines, I somehow ended up finding another person who looks after me here. Kailangan din natin ng mag-aalaga abroad, diba? Char. For almost 8 years of living in Japan, I've been blessed to meet fellow Filipinos who eventually became my second family. As in literal family, pinapakain ako, pinagsasabihan, pinapatawa, sinusuportahan, lahat. Parang adoptive daughter na talaga ako, minus the official papers. And one of these people is Tita Milet. Guys, for the past 5 years, dito ko lagi sineselebrate ang New Year. Imagine that. 5 years of fireworks, food, laughter, and, yes, sermons. Complete set. This home made Japan feel less lonely and helped me find a place where I truly belonged. Dito ko rin nakilala so many good people. Yung tipong kahit saan ka tumingin, may handang mag-abot ng pagkain or tulong, ganun sila kabait. They've become such a huge part of my heart. But today's visit is extra special. Because this year, I won't be spending New Year here. I know, big change! My fiancé is visiting me, and we already made plans to welcome the New Year together. It's a new chapter for me. Exciting, a little scary, and definitely something I want to cherish. So syempre, bago ako maging super busy, gusto ko munang dumalaw, makipag-bonding, at magpakumusta sa kanila. I really wanted to let them know personally that this year will be different for me. Usually, nag-go overnight ako dito. Free lodging, free food, free chismis, the complete package. Pero ngayon, hindi muna. Kasi, well, life is changing. Adulting, commitments, and of course, love. And after everything, we finally arrived here a bit late kasi may mga dinaanan pa kami on the way. Pero kahit medyo late na, worth it pa rin. Nakapag-bonding pa rin kami and nakapagkwentuhan ng maayos. Konting kwentuhan, konting tawa, and of course, some teasing about my love life. Hindi mawawala yan. After that, I headed home. Short visit lang, but my heart feels really full. Being an OFW can be lonely, but having people who treat you like family, even without blood, makes all the difference. They've made every year warmer and every new year worth looking forward to. Thank you for watching. If you have your own second family abroad, share your stories in the comments. Ciao!